For our last day in Pigeon Forge, we decided to go back to the Apple Barn complex and have brunch.
It looks delicious.
Junior ordered a breakfast platter with eggs, bacon, and gravy and biscuits, and I got an omelet with grits, and you get these apple fritter balls for free. We didn't realize it until after we were seated, but they have porch swing tables here, and I just had to sit in one. And after that delicious brunch, we decided to go and explore the Apple Barn complex. One of the largest buildings in the complex is the general store, and inside they have everything you can think of for baking and making apple dessert, and they also have a little area where you can try some apple fritters and some fresh ice cream. If you don't want to buy anything, it's worth a walk through. It is beautiful on the inside. The building was originally an old cattle barn built back in 1910. Next, we made our way over to their creamery. The creamery was established in 1991 and offers many different flavors of ice cream. It is set up like an old-fashioned ice cream parlor, and they also have a bake shop with fresh baked goods. At the apple pie kitchen, you can watch them make their fresh apple fritters, which actually is stuffed with their fresh apple butter that they make. And right beside the pie shop, you can do some free tasting and pick you out some apple cider. The Apple Barn complex also includes a candy shop. You can get these delicious candied apples and many different kinds of candies and chocolates from the candy store. The Apple Barn complex was originally purchased as a 65-acre farm. It now has over 7,000 apple trees in its orchard. The award-winning Apple Barn Winery was added to the complex in 1994. They are open 7 days a week, and they offer a free wine tasting, which I am fixing to try. They use their apple cider as the beginning point for many of their sweet fruit wines. And as soon as you walk in, you can tell that they have established themselves as a great winery with all the awards on the walls. After showing your ID, you get to choose 4 different wines to taste for free.
And then you can pick any 4 on the list for free. Seasonal is the apple pomegranate, or the Anchors Away, it's an apple blueberry.
What is your top award winner?
Our best seller is the apple strawberry.
Alright, I'll try that.
Yeah. Here's that apple strawberry for you. It's peanut tart on the finish. Tastes like strawberry candy.
Is it? No.
Apple raspberries, tart up front, sweet on the finish. Good with chocolate or cheesecake. Yeah, it's really good. You really taste the raspberry in it. How do you like that peach? Yes, ma'am. Apple peach, you'll taste the apple first. Your sweet and subtle peach comes in on the finish. It's nice and light. Apple pomegranate is fruity and juicy, goes good with anything off the grill. So you said you guys do it.
Yeah, we just started, so it's small, but we're growing little at a time.
Well, good luck to you guys.
Thank you very much.
I just need a signature real quick.
So now it's time to take all of our goodies home. And I have to say, the Apple Barn did not disappoint. If you're in the Sevierville or Pigeon Forge area, we would recommend a visit.
What you doing there, honey?
Well, we went to the Apple Barn. We went and tried their apple fritters, which are made out of their fresh apple butter with little tiny pieces of apple and fresh ice cream. That was really good. We got some candy from their candy store. So I've got some chocolate covered pecans, chocolate covered Cheetos, and then I bought some of their apple cinnamon donuts, which we're gonna have for lunch.
And what's this wheat stuff? Did I buy any of that?
You wanted that? I bought all of it. They're good.
Mm-hmm.
And we got this nice bottle of Apple Barn apple raspberry wine.
Got the towels ready. Let me see if Junior's ready to head out. You ready to go to the pool for this last day?
Yep. You?
Yeah. You. Let's do this. Let's finish off the last day. Go to the pool.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And keep watching for some of Junior's silly antics.
Power's less than 10%. What?
It's okay.
Okay, I was just letting you know, so it wouldn't be my fault. The first time riding a bicycle, so what? Now I'm gonna sit here and let her go slow. Wonder how long it takes her to come back. So she come back.